I previous that the Java is case sensitive. The class name and method name. The fourth one is program file name, and the fifth one is public static void main string arrays. Public static void main string arrays are required for our Java program, and system.out.println is required for printing, and a public static void main string arrays are required for our in program Java program. In the simple Java hello world program also we use the public static void main string arrays, and we also use the program file name also. So one by one I can explain you. First one is our case sensitive. So what is case sensitive? There is two types of cases. One is lower cases and one is upper cases in the English alphabet. So Java is case sensitive, which means identifying the hello, which is written in small letter, and written in hello, whose H is in small and the previous H is capital letter. We do have a difference meaning in Java. That means in capital letter hello and in small letter hello, the case and due to case sensitivity, Java can take error also. For that it is case sensitive. It can you should use the particular alphabet or particular cases or upper cases in particular position. For that it can error free because it is case sensitive. Next one is our class name. So what is class name? Class name is all class name, the first letter should be uppercase. If more than one word are used to form a name, then inner word's first letter should be uppercase. Class my first Java class. Here you can see that. Always remember that in a word the first letter should be uppercase. This is the rule of the class name. If you create a class, how to give the case sensitivity to the word, how to define the word. So in a particular word, if you use a single word for creating a class, the first alphabet should be uppercase and next alphabet should be lowercase. If you use more than one word for creating a class, then your inner word should be first letter should be uppercase and another word should be lowercase. You can see the example also. I can zoom in the example. You can see that an example, my class, my first Java class. Here you can see that all the words first letter should be uppercase and next words are lowercase in all the words. So you can keep your mind that when you create a class, your first words first letter should be uppercase. Next is method name. All method names should start with a lowercase. Your class name should be start with uppercase. The first letter should be uppercase and the next letter should be lowercase. In method, you can see that all the name should be, all the letters should be start with lowercase. That means in method the first letter of the word should start with lowercase. I can explain the method in another video. So thank you.